I know you're thinking, no way, she's back. Yeah, I'm back. I'm bad. Look at this face beat. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. Happy New Year. Even though, you know, we're almost in April. Happy New Year. Okay, before we talk about the makeup, guys, I just realized you've never seen me with short hair. I would say I've been cutting my hair for the past 5 years, so yeah, this is me. I love a short hair. I can't lie, I prefer short hair to wigs. Like, I feel like this is just me. This is just my look. It's cute, it's giving the vibes. Okay, this is just a cute look that I put together for you guys. You know, spring is coming, so we had to go a bit heavy with the bronzer, you know, bring the color back. This is a very simple step-by-step tutorial, I would say, for my dark skin queens and kings. But anyways, guys, let me just stop chatting. We're gonna go straight into the tutorial. So if you want to see how to get this look, make sure you keep on watching. She too flashy, know the land. Whiny always. Nobody bad, but they make a man crazy. Go down, see fine face. Body bad, but they make a man crazy. So first we're going to start off by filling in our eyebrows, and I have got the E.L.F Instant Lift Brow Pencil. This is in the shade dark brown, and I'm going to use the brush side first just to brush these small brows of mine. Yeah, no, I'm making my crazy, cause you wanna make me your baby. Yeah. And now using the other side, the pencil side, I'm going to fill in my brows, starting with this one. You never see something like this before. You never be. Said you want me to take you now. Baby, show me your number. Find your case like Colombo. Does she go where she want go? She too flashy, know the land. Whiny always. Your body bad, but they make a man crazy. So now that's done, we're going to clean them up by concealing. But what I'm going to use to conceal my brows is use my foundation. This is NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade IGUACU, my baby. This is my perfect shade. So using this angled brush, I'm just going to squirt some on the brush and just use this to conceal around my brows. I just found this more easier as well to blend. Bring up your body, baby, give me some sugar. Come on, I'll lose it. You make a man wanna lose control. Say you make a man wanna lose it. Yeah, come on, wanna lose control. Yeah. Baby, show me your number. Find your case like Colombo. Does she go where she want go? She too flashy, know the land. Whiny always. Your body bad, but they make a man crazy. So that is one eyebrow done, and I'm going to do the same on the other side as well. Baby, show me your number. Find your case like Colombo. Does she go where she want go? She too flashy, know the land. Whiny always. Your body bad, but they make a man crazy. Go down, see fine face. Body bad, but they make a man crazy. Go down, whiny always. Your body bad, but they make a man crazy. See fine face. Body bad, but they make a man crazy. Okay, so now that the brows are done, we're gonna go ahead and add some foundation. So I'm gonna be using the same foundation and using my Real Techniques a buffing brush. I'm just gonna apply this on and blend this all out, including all of it. Okay, so I'm gonna put 4 pumps here, and I'm gonna start blending from the bottom and work my way up. Give you all of me and give you all my love. Baby, show me your number. Find your case like Colombo. Does she go where she want go? She too flashy, know the land. Whiny always. I can't get over the match, seriously. It's amazing. Whiny always. Your body bad, but they make a man crazy. See fine face. Body bad, but they make a man crazy. Oh yeah, when you see my fine face, yeah, no, I make your mind crazy. Cause you wanna make me. So this is the foundation all blended out, and as you can see, oh, it's looking
so clean. I love this. So now we're gonna go ahead and add some concealer, and I have the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Chocolate. I love this shade. It's so cute. It kind of reminds me of the LA Pro Girl concealer in Chestnut. The colors you can see, it's probably just a bit lighter, but yeah. So I'm gonna apply this under my eyes. Oh, it's running out. Above my lip. And on my nose. And on my chin as well. So using a beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend this all out. And what I did was squeeze this twice underneath the tap, so I went, that's all you need, okay? So I'm gonna start blending the bottom and work my way up. So I'm just gonna push it in and just blend her up.
Baby, show me your lumbo. Find your case like Colombo. Does she go where she want? She too flashy, know the Lambo. Whiny always. Your body bad, but they make a man crazy. Go down, see fan face. Body bad, but they make a man crazy. Go down, whiny always. Your body bad, but they make a man crazy. See fan face. Body bad, but they make a man crazy. Baby, make a pay your price, make you something for me, oh.
And what I like to do here is just mess around with my face. So any areas I feel like I need to go back and do, I'm gonna do. I'm kind of all over the place, but it will make sense later. Yeah, so I think that is fine for now because we're gonna add a lighter concealer. I have got the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in 53 and Deep. So I'm just gonna apply this under my eyes, just a little bit though. And using the same beauty blender, I'm gonna blend this out, but I'm just gonna keep this under my eye.
Whiny always, your body bad, but they make a man crazy. See fan face, body bad, but they make a man crazy.
So what I'm gonna do now is quickly set this, because you see me, my face creases all the time and I don't want that. So to set, I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty setting powder, and this is in Blondie. So using my Real Techniques contour brush, I'm just gonna dip some in. Can you see? Yep. Dip some in, top of the excess, and just apply this directly under my eye. And it is so easy to apply, guys. The brush is so soft. All you have to do is just tap, press it in, and just glide it along. So what I like to do is add a little bit on and then build up. So I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I'm gonna add some above my lip, on my nose as well, and a bit on my forehead too, and on my chin. Basically everywhere we applied concealer, you just want it to look seamless. So I'm just gonna add a bit more under my eyes.
Baby, show me your lumbo. Find your case like Colombo. Does she go where she want? She too flashy, know the Lambo.
And I'm gonna leave this here not for too long though, because yeah, every time I bake for long it just messes up everything. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is contour, and then I'm gonna dust this off. Okay, so to contour we're gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Ebony. I've got my Real Techniques buffing brush, again the one we used to apply foundation. And what I'm gonna do is just apply it onto the brush directly. I learned this from Mela Child, because you know when you put the whole stick there and it doesn't blend properly, it looks a whole leap of mess. Okay, so we're just gonna apply this on and just apply it on that area here. So I like to do the fish face just to help me.
If you want my love, baby, show me your lumbo. Find your case like Colombo.
And the same on the other side too. So now I'm gonna add 2 lines on my nose. Using the tip of this brush, I'm just gonna blend this out. I never go too heavy on my nose contour just because I've got a small nose, so I don't really need to contour it, but I just like the whole dark shade along there. It just looks cute. So I'm not going to go too heavy on the contour just because I go crazy with bronzers and all of that. So before we go ahead and bronze, I'm going to dust off this excess powder using the same buffing brush.
Baby, show me your lumbo. Find your case like Colombo. Does she go where she want? She too flashy, know the land. Whiny always. Your body bad, go they make a man crazy. Go down, see fine face.
So now we're really gonna add some color back into his face. So I have got the Revolution bronzer in dark. This is the glow bronzer. This is one of the best drugstore bronzers ever. So I'm gonna get my, I keep forgetting the name of these brushes, seriously. I'm gonna get my buffing brush. No, am I? Yeah, sorry. I'm gonna get my buffing brush and I'm just gonna dip some in and apply this a bit along the contour area. You're gonna see.
See fine face. Body bad, but they make a man crazy. Baby, show me your lumbo. Find your case like Colombo. Does she go where she want? She too flashy, know the land. Whiny always. Your body bad, but they make a man crazy. Go down, see fine face.
You see when your face like that? You see this line? Just literally follow it. That is your guide. Like, the face looks crazy, but it helps. Okay, I'm gonna add a bit on the forehead and on the tip of my nose. I hate when my nose starts running. Seriously, don't do this. Child, my hair, everything's just going crazy. So now we're gonna add a bit more bronzer. Okay guys, so I have got the Fenty Beauty bronzer and this is in Cocoa MAMI. I like to add this bronzer on top just because it's got a red undertone, and I do love red. When the sun's out, it just looks so rich. Really brings out the chocolate. I'm gonna get the brush, dip it in 4 times and just apply that a bit more higher to where we put the last bronzer. So this is where we put it and I'm gonna put it here, just a bit more higher.
Your body bad, go they make a man crazy. See fine face. Body bad, go they make a man crazy. Oh yeah, when you see my fine face, yeah, know I make your mind crazy.
A bit on the nose as well. So now I'm gonna add a bit of blush and I'll be using the Revolution blush in the shade Rose Kiss. This is so cute. I love how pink it is. It's gorgeous. So using my Real Techniques contour brush, I'm just gonna dip that in, smile, and apply that a bit more higher. It makes sense. So it's like a gradient thing, yeah. So I'm gonna just pat it on. I'm not gonna add too much today just because I can see I went a bit crazy with the Fenty bronzer. Yeah, this is cute enough. We don't need to do too much today. So now we're gonna go ahead and focus with our eyes, and I have got the E.L.F Big Mood Mascara. So what I'm gonna do is apply a little bit on.
International baby, international sugar, baby, bring up your body.
So next I'm gonna add a bit of eyeliner, and I'll be using the E.L.F Expert Liquid Eyeliner. And this is in jet black. I love E.L.F for like eye things like eyeshadow, mascara, eyeliner, eyebrow pencil. Yeah, E.L.F is the one, guys. So I'm gonna quickly just do a thin line. When I said thin line, guys, I meant it, because I just use my eyeliner as a little guide to put my lashes on. so that it doesn't look too crazy. Ooh, I felt my eye tearing up, so I thought this was gonna go left. Oh my gosh, let me just go ahead and put on my lashes and I'll be back. So I'm back. I've added my lashes, and as you can see guys, lashes are everything. Like, it just brings everything together. I love it. So before we finish this off with lips, we're gonna just set everything, you know, make it all nice and clean and fresh. So I have got the MAC Mineral Skin Finish, and this is in Dark Deep, and using my buffing brush, dab some on and just apply this lightly everywhere. This is just a nice finish.
See fine face, body back, but they make a man crazy. Oh yeah, when you see my fine face.
So we're gonna finish off with our lips, and to line our lips, I have got the Revolution eyeliner in black. Guys, I know you guys are thinking, Walls, what the hell are you doing? Black lip liner is my go-to now. This is all I use. I think I deep because my lips are dark brown just doesn't do it for me. Like, it doesn't show up as much as black does, of course, because it's black. But yeah, it's just really gorgeous. So what I do is I like to apply like kind of a thin line around the perimeter of my lips. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And then I smack my lips together. Next I get the NYX, this is glossy lip gloss in the shade Milk and Honey. I done a review on these glosses months ago, so go and check it out. I'll link it down in the description box. So I'm just gonna apply this in the center. So yeah guys, this is it. This is my finished look, and as you can see, it is just clean face, not doing so much, doing a lot though. Do you get it? Hello. I love my makeup to look, of course, not natural, because then why the hell am I putting it on? But when I want a face beat, but like just something subtle, but yeah, this is it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, okay? I hope you guys have a lovely day. Remember, it's a more life thing each and every time. She go where she want, she too flashy, know the land.